What experts won't tell you about rice cooker cakes? Imagine whipping up a cake in no time using just a rice cooker. It's a game changer for busy schedules. Rice cookers have been around since the 1950s, originally simple devices. Today they are multifunctional, perfect for everything from steaming to baking. Did you know rice cookers use less electricity than ovens? They're easy to use and they keep cakes moist and fluffy with steam. Sounds perfect, right? Contrary to popular belief, rice cooker cakes can be just as delicious as oven-baked ones. With the right recipe, you'll be amazed at the results. Busy life? No problem. Rice cookers let you bake without spending hours in the kitchen. Imagine making a cake in just an hour. Sweet and easy. Choosing ingredients wisely is key. Flour, sugar, butter, and eggs form the foundation. Each plays a crucial role in creating a delightful cake. Facing allergen challenges? Use substitutes like almond flour for gluten-free or coconut oil and almond milk for dairy-free options. It's that simple. Seasonal ingredients can transform your cake. Imagine pumpkin puree in fall or fresh berries in summer. These fresh twists make your cake pop. Accurate measuring is crucial. Even a small variation can change your cake's texture. Always measure precisely for consistent, delicious results. Gather your tools: a rice cooker, mixing bowls, measuring cups, spatula, parchment paper, and a cooling rack. Prep right, and you're halfway there. Mix your dry and wet ingredients separately before combining them gently. Pour the batter into the rice cooker, and you're ready to bake. Rice cooker cakes take about 40-60 minutes. Use the toothpick test to check doneness. If it comes out clean, your cake is ready to enjoy. Watch out for too much steam, which can make your cake soggy. Ensure the lid is closed properly and listen for the warm click indicating it's done. Troubleshoot common issues. If your cake sticks, use parchment paper. If it's dense, adjust your measurements next time. Practice makes perfect. Try flavor variations like chocolate, citrus, or adding fruits and nuts. Imagine a moist cake with fruity chunks or a tangy lemon-lime twist. Yum! Rice cooker cakes last 3 to 5 days at room temperature or up to a week in the fridge. Store them properly to keep them fresh and delicious.